What are you going to do over the summer? I'll tell you, if you're the average American student, you're going to forget 1 to 2 months of the material from the school year. That's what research shows. And in fact, this is 2/3 of the achievement gap between high income and low income students just over the summer. It doesn't matter if you go to the most hoity-toity private school or the most ratchet public school. If you forget stuff over the summer as opposed to continuing to level up, that compounds into a big difference across many years of education. In this video, I'm going to show you what I call my surf technique for summer learning. And it actually is the most optimized way to learn as quickly as possible in as little time as possible so that you still get to enjoy the summertime, have the living easy, get on the microphone with Ross MG, do whatever you want to do over the summer. Enjoy the day. Seriously, it's good to have a break too. But that doesn't mean you just stop learning. The secret sauce of the surf method is something that I wish existed when I was in high school. It's AI. And it's going to be what unlocks new levels of learning for you guys if you follow this technique. It's what I'm having myself and my students do this summer to make sure that we're all way ahead of where we are right now when we look back at the end of August. And it involves scheduling your time, uploading context to the AI to make sure your curriculum is optimized, recall practice as the main part of that curriculum, and then finally, the Feynman technique to make sure that you can explain it all back. I'll go into detail on all of those quickly now. The S is for setting a schedule. What I mean by a schedule here is specifically you need a timeline and you need a daily commitment. You need to tell the AI how long you plan to spend on this. I like to break it up into smaller segments, ideally 3 weeks to a month, and tell it how much you want to spend each day. I like to do an hour, but you could get away with 30 minutes or something.
Takes only 6 minutes with the shake weight.
And don't be overly ambitious. Set yourself up with something that you'll actually commit to start out. Once you have a schedule set, it's time to upload context for the AI so that it's going to be accurate and relevant in all of its responses. Talk to some upperclassmen, do whatever you can do to find out what the textbook and material is going to be for next year. Or if you're learning something that's outside of the curriculum, do a little research online, go to Reddit or just ask ChatGPT what are the best textbooks or learning resources for this subject I'm interested in. For this first initial prompt, you're going to dump in a whole lot of context. Don't worry if it's a whole entire textbook or a whole bunch of PowerPoints. The key is to give it a lot of information as the baseline. Now for the R and F in the SURF method, we get into more the learning science side of things. This is to make sure that ChatGPT is an effective tutor for you. R stands for recall, and there are 2 components to this. One is you want to instruct the AI to be as test-focused as possible. Never have it give you paragraphs and paragraphs of text without actually assessing your understanding if you can recall the information. Part of this recall step, Part of this step is also having it design flashcards for you. At the beginning of each lesson, ask for a list of key terms, and you can even ask it to put it in a CSV or some format where you can just paste it right into Anki or Quizlet or whatever flashcard thing you use. Finally, the F word in all of this is the Feynman technique. Richard Feynman, famous physicist, professor, etc., had a famously curious mind. He would often ask a lot of questions. He said you can't really understand something until you've asked a lot of questions and sort of have the ability to teach it to someone else. In fact, one of my favorite Latin quotes
Nerd alert!
of all time is docendo discitur, which means by teaching it is learned. And that sort of is the whole foundation behind this Feynman technique, which is a great way to learn anything, but it's way better with AI because you can ask it not just for answers like most people do, but ask it to give you questions. What you can do is just upload a chapter of a textbook and say, give me a list of the key questions I need to have a Richard Feynman, Albert Einstein level of mastery of this material, and it'll just spit out a bunch of questions, then hit the dictate button, record your answers. Try just to record a couple questions at a time, otherwise it gets overloaded by too much material, and then have it assess you. And you have to tell it, be a perfectionist. Be really harsh with me, grade like you want a perfect answer, and tell me anything that's missing. Otherwise, it gets a little bit glazy and you won't be learning as effectively. And that's it. Now we're surfing, guys. One important thing I need to mention now that you have everything ready for this prompt is to use deep research. It's a function built into ChatGPT, Perplexity, Grok. Most AI tools have it now. It'll take about 15 to 20 minutes probably for the whole response. They're going to lay out a whole 30-day or 3-week curriculum for you, remember, with a lot of details. And then each day you're going to ask it, say, I'm ready for day 1, I'm ready for day 2, I'm ready for day 3, etc. Have your chat and then move on to the next one. And keep these guiding principles. Remember surf throughout this entire thing. Let's wrap this thing up. You're ready to go surfing this summer, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video up to this point. If you're still here, go and drop a comment. What do you want to learn this summer? Is it something in school? Is it a class you're taking next year? Or is it something completely unrelated? Maybe it's some just life skill that you feel like you would benefit from, or something that will help you in your job. Whatever it is, I'm curious to know, and I'd really appreciate if you guys liked the video and went ahead and subscribed to my channel. I'm going to be posting more of these videos about general learning advice, plus I have daily live streams where you can see me doing the surf method in real time. I learned linear algebra in just 30 days with AI. Now I'm tackling organic chemistry in just 3 weeks, and I'm going to keep upping the challenges more and more to see what we're capable of if we know how to use these tools effectively. So you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Stay learning. Peace.